On Yaqub Memon, who has been sentenced to death for his role in the 1993 Mumbai blast, has now moved Supreme Court again. Memon says the death warrant issued against him is illegal, and as all legal options are not exhausted before the warrant was issued. The death warrant was issued, in fact, before the curative petition was disposed of in the Supreme Court.
We are currently outside Nagpur Central Jail, where 93 blast accused Yaqub Memon has been kept. Yaqub Memon will be soon hanged to death on 30th of July. Meanwhile, for the first time after the death sentence was announced, the date for the death sentence was announced, Yaqub Memon's wife, his daughter, along with other relatives, will be coming soon to this jail to meet Yaqub Memon. This interaction with Memon can be their last one. Yaqub Memon is counting his last days. On the other hand, the jail authorities have started preparations for Yaqub Memon's death sentence. They have done all the recce through all the places. This is after 30 years. There will be someone who will be hanged inside Nagpur jail, and this date is also the birth date of Yaqub Memon. Yaqub Memon is depending now on his last option, which is a mercy petition which he has filed in front of the Maharashtra governor, and there will be a hearing pending soon. Sources are saying that this mercy petition will be rejected soon, and there is not much distance left between Yaqub Memon and his death sentence. On the other hand, the family has come here for the last time to meet Yaqub Memon, and this can be their last interaction. It would be very interesting to see what interaction takes place between them, whereas the jail authorities are saying that for now Yaqub Memon has not been eating anything for a day. In Nagpur, with camera person Raju Revankar, Mustafa Sheikh for India Today.